Hi, my name is Miss Miller, and today we'll be talking about seasons, particularly the summer. Essential question. How can we identify the season of summer? Standard, with guidance and support, identify details in a familiar story. Vocabulary. Summer, the season between spring and autumn, which is in the northern hemisphere, usually the months of June, July, and August. Summer topics. These are some topics that you could cover while you're going over summer. The months of the year, clothing, food, activities. You can also cover the months. You can demonstrate to students on a calendar the month of June, July, as well as August. You can also discuss summer clothing. You can discuss that we wear less clothing in the summer and give examples such as no jacket. You can also talk about wearing lighter clothing in the summer, such as shorts and t-shirts. You can have students make crafts such as flip-flops with their image on it. You could also have them create their own t-shirts. Another great way is to have students sort clothing items to show that they understand the difference between heavier and lighter clothing. They can compare and sort summer versus winter. Another activity is to have a doll that they can dress. This can be done by having a printable sheet as well as a real doll. You can also create a printable and have students Velcro on pieces that are appropriate for hot weather clothing. You can also discuss summer food and drinks. Ice cream is a really popular treat for the summer. You can use heavy cream, ice in a bag. You can shake it and actually make ice cream. It's a fun activity for students. In addition, you could create a fruit salad with students. You can give them each a piece of fruit, have them cut it up, and put it all together and make one big salad. And students would wear gloves in the classroom, or potentially you can give them small pieces of different fruit and they can make their own individual salad for themselves. You can also have ices. These are relatively inexpensive, a cool treat that students enjoy in the summer, or you could also make it. Students can have juice, pour it in a cup or tube, and it can be placed in the freezer. In addition, you could make lemonade with your students, or once again, they could make their own individually. Show the process of cutting the lemon, putting water in a cup, squeezing the lemon in, adding sugar, stirring it up, letting it cool, and then they'll have lemonade. These are some quick and simple activities that can be hands-on for students and also a tasty and cool treat. You can also have summer outdoor activities, such as a mini pool for students. This is something I've actually had inside of my classroom with approval from my administration with very little water, and the students actually were able to get inside the pool in the classroom when we were doing a pool theme. In addition, I've also had an actual tent in my classroom. We pretended to camp. So these are two things that you can do inside your classroom, once again with administrator's approval, water, potentially in a small child pool, and having a tent. You can also take trips to the park. Students tend to enjoy that in the summer months. Also, with administrator's approval, you can go to the beach. Another simple activity I've done with students is to create a sprinkler by using a hose, attaching a bottle, and poking holes in it. The students had lots of fun. Also, there's opportunity for trips, as I mentioned, such as the beach and or an amusement park. Perhaps students can go to Coney Island. They could see the beach as well as go on rides. Some resources. GetEpic.com is a great place to find read alouds, and many of the books have the Read to Me feature, so the book will actually be read aloud to the students. So let's take a look. That's GetEpic.com. And here we have What I See in the Summer.
To know. Butterfly. Grass. Sunflower. Sunshine. What I see in summer. I see sunshine.
You can also utilize teacherspayteachers.com for printable sheets that you can laminate and make matching or sorting activities. You could also find coloring sheets for students. And the same with twinkle.com. That's TWINKL.com. So again, on those sites, you'll find printables. Let's look at Teachers Pay Teachers. I search by summer clothing in this case. You could also search for just summer, ascending order to look at the free items first. And you will look through the materials to see what best meets the needs of your learners. So here we have a summer and winter clothing activity. So I would probably laminate this so it could be reused, and the students can place them on with Velcro and take them back off. In addition, it could be a cut and paste activity as well. And the same with Twinkle. I search for summer, and there are lots of activities that come up, including fine motor practice, such as drawing and staying on the lines, tracing, counting summer materials, items and clothing, a puzzle, coloring page, and the list goes on. So once again, you would look through these sites, Teachers Pay Teachers, and Twinkle, and this one is TWINKL.com. You would also utilize YouTube. There's Summer Fun, Summer is Here. Lots of fun songs, music, and videos. In conclusion, summer is the season between spring and autumn, which is in the northern hemisphere, usually the months of June, July, and August. You can cover the months of the year in which summer takes place, clothing students can wear, refreshing food and drink items, which can also be hands-on fun activities that students can make, as well as activities inside the classroom, such as camping and pools, outside, such as amusement parks, as well as the beach. YouTube, Teachers Pay Teachers, Twinkle, and Epic Books have great activities and videos. Thank you so much for watching today.